Welcome to our channel, The World's Greatest. In this video, you will see the top 14 very cute but deadly and dangerous animals in the world. Prepare to be enchanted by the irresistible charm of these creatures, despite their potential dangers. Kicking off our list is the hippopotamus. With its chubby cheeks and playful demeanor, the hippo may seem adorable, but don't be fooled. These gentle giants are responsible for more human deaths in Africa than any other large animal. With their massive size and powerful jaws, hippos can crush bones and boats alike, making them a force to be reckoned with in the wild. Sliding into the 13th spot is the polar bear. With its fluffy fur and endearing waddle, the polar bear exudes charm. However, these apex predators are not to be underestimated. With their incredible strength and razor-sharp claws, polar bears can take down prey much larger than themselves. In the unforgiving Arctic environment, encountering a polar bear can quickly turn deadly. Coming in at number 12 is the stingray. With its graceful movements and elegant appearance, the stingray glides through the water with ease. Hidden beneath its tranquil exterior lies a potent defense mechanism. The barb at the base of its tail is armed with venom, capable of causing excruciating pain or even death if disturbed. Taking the 11th spot is the panda. With its adorable black and white markings and playful antics, the panda has captured the hearts of people around the world. However, these cuddly creatures possess a formidable bite, capable of delivering powerful crushing force with their jaws. Though rare, panda attacks on humans have occurred, underscoring the importance of respecting their space in the wild. Coming in at number 10 is the koala. With its fuzzy ears and button nose, the koala epitomizes cuteness. Yet, behind its sleepy facade lies a potent defense mechanism. Koalas possess sharp claws capable of inflicting serious injury, and they are known to bite if threatened. Additionally, koalas can carry diseases such as chlamydia, which can be transmitted to humans through scratches or bites. Taking the 9th spot is the poison dart frog. With its vibrant colors and petite size, the poison dart frog is a sight to behold. However, these tiny amphibians are among the most poisonous creatures on Earth. Their skin secretes toxins that can cause paralysis or even death if ingested or absorbed through the skin. Despite their diminutive stature, poison dart frogs are not to be underestimated. Coming in at number 8 is the pufferfish. With its comical appearance and tendency to puff up when threatened, the pufferfish seems more amusing than alarming. However, lurking within its body is a deadly toxin known as tetrodotoxin. Ingesting even a small amount of this toxin can result in paralysis and death, making the pufferfish one of the most lethal fish in the ocean. Sliding into the 7th spot is the box jellyfish. With its translucent bell and delicate tentacles, the box jellyfish floats serenely through the water. Yet, its beauty belies its deadly nature. The tentacles of the box jellyfish are armed with thousands of tiny harpoons loaded with venom. A single sting from this creature can induce excruciating pain, paralysis, and in some cases, cardiac arrest. Taking the sixth spot is the stonefish. With its mottled appearance and ability to blend seamlessly with its surroundings, the stonefish is a master of camouflage. However, hidden among its dorsal fins are venomous spines capable of delivering a potent toxin. Stepping on a stonefish can result in intense pain, swelling, and tissue necrosis, posing a serious threat to unsuspecting swimmers. Coming in at number 5 is the platypus. With its duck-like bill and webbed feet, the platypus is a unique and fascinating creature. Beneath its quirky exterior lies a hidden danger. Male platypuses possess venomous spurs on their hind legs, capable of delivering a painful sting. While not usually fatal to humans, the venom can cause intense pain and swelling that may last for weeks. Taking the fourth spot is the fennec fox. With its oversized ears and playful demeanor, the fennec fox is undeniably adorable. However, behind its charming facade lies a cunning predator. Fennec foxes are skilled hunters capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves. While not typically aggressive towards humans, their sharp teeth and claws can inflict serious injury if provoked. Sliding into the third spot is the boxer crab. With its striking coloration and unique behavior, the boxer crab is a fascinating creature to behold. However, beneath its adorable exterior lies a lethal weapon. Boxer crabs wield venomous sea anemones in their claws, using them to ward off predators. While not directly harmful to humans, coming into contact with a boxer crab's anemones can result in painful stings. Coming in at number 2 is the honey badger. With its fearless attitude and tenacious nature, the honey badger is one of the most formidable creatures in the animal kingdom. Despite its small size, the honey badger is a skilled hunter capable of taking on much larger opponents. With its sharp claws and powerful jaws, the honey badger can dispatch prey with ease. In addition to its formidable hunting skills, the honey badger possesses thick, tough skin that is resistant to many forms of attack, making it a force to be reckoned with in the wild. And finally, claiming the top spot on our list is the sloth. With its gentle eyes and relaxed demeanor, the sloth is the epitome of tranquility. However, behind its lethargic facade lies a surprising danger. Sloths may move slowly, but they possess sharp claws capable of inflicting serious harm. While sloths are not typically aggressive towards humans, they can deliver painful scratches if threatened or cornered. And there you have it, folks, the top 14 cute yet deadly animals in the world. Remember, while these creatures may appear adorable, it's important to respect their space and appreciate them from a safe distance in their natural habitats. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to support.